So this exercise is Faites, les accords nécessaires. So we are going to do the necessary changes. Now the adjective is petit. Petit means small. So we are going to write this adjective in all these blanks, but we are going to make it agree with the subject. So petit, that is the masculine form. In the feminine form, you add an E. In the masculine plural form, it becomes petit, masculine plural form. In the feminine plural form, ES. So these are the 4 words we are going to fill in. So the first blank, ma maison est dash. Ma maison. So it is feminine singular. So feminine singular. Which of these would we fill in? We'd fill petit. So ma maison est petit. Il y a une dash cuisine. So here the noun is cuisine. It is feminine singular. So petit. Then the next blank, des dash placard. It is in the plural form. So we write masculine plural, so petit. So here the petit placard. Trois dash chambre. Now this is the noun here, chambre. It is feminine plural, so feminine we add E, plural we add S. Trois petites chambres et un dash balcon. Now the noun here is balcon. It is masculine singular, so petit. So now we have filled in this adjective petit in each of these blanks, but we had to make sure it agreed with that respective noun in those sentences. So shall we move on to the next adjective?